laban pun kemau ba u DGP Hanuman ubolong u DGP menta unsa song that no hakalai pui terik menta ubanai no pra jong news nem nakliang u Dr. Mukul Sangma Menteri Ramba Kajala oleh itu baka State Security Commission haka jingalang ngablalong haka singibalang jong katayo kalajit ya sangut ki IPS officer bela Rymphang haka kamban simti yakni kasuki DGP ki keteng ki papau na kini sangut ki balajit haka State Security Commission ki kentup ya udike pathak ubadai na ka batch jong usnem khatandai spa nyop khandai u Rajendra Kumar na ka batch khatandai spa prapo u Ramesh Tayal na ka batch khatandai spa prapo u Rajiv Mehta bat u SK Jain ki badai na ka batch jong usnem khatandai spa prapo kini ki officer ki balak kado keteng ya menta ki bat ya ki kerdan Director General hak tanat baper udike pathak ubat ya kakam kumu Director General Kishipai BSF u Rajendra Kumar ubat kumu Director General of Home Guard Assam u Ramesh Tayal ubat kumu Additional Director General Katnat SSB New Delhi u Rajiv Mehta ubat kumu Director General Jongga Narcotic Control Bureau Jongga New Delhi bat u SK Jain ubat kumu Additional Director General Katnat SSB ke Jylla kiwai pat ki IPS jong ke Jylla ki ban song that no shen ki kentup yau ke kishan ubalong u Director General of Home Guard and Civil Defence une u hepulit un song that no akalai phui terik kelalingkot jong usnam ajar khatsan katba u Prem Singh ubalong Additional Director General un song that akalai phui terik uyayong jong usnam ajar khatsan ka khubor ke bayolum kayathu ba u Kulbil Krishan udai u officer pulit ubala Rymphang hakakam bat nakaliang ke State Security Commission kala banjit ya Rajiv Mehta bansimti yak syuki DGP namar ulong ru bala syakri laslam bah ke Jylla bat udai ru bala tip bah syapang ke jinglong juman ke Jylla bat sakawai ru undang ne hadu usnam ajar khan reo.
Overall review of the internal security scenario, the various issues of the functioning of the police organization vis-a-vis the support that is needed to be given while attending to the demand of the internal security apparatus. And also, one of the agendas included the empanelment of the senior most IPS officers of the Assam Meghalaya cadre for the promotion to the post of DGP. And so the details of the available officers from the joint cadre of Assam Meghalaya IPS officers have been scrutinized, and the commission have shortlisted the names of 5 senior most officers as panel. You are aware that the Meghalaya Police Act Section 6 actually requires that the State Security Commission should shortlist a name of 5 senior most officers as a panel for making it available for the government for appointment as DGP. And in conformity with this mandate of this State Police Act, the Commission also decided and finalized the 5 names for the panel. Once the interlocutor is finalized, then they would start, reaching out to them. But the law requires this exercise because, as you are aware, HNLC is a panel. Understand? If you start talking to them without mandate of the government, then you will also be presumed as somebody who has the connection. So better follow the law.